y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Yancy and today we are in the garden. Oh my gosh, y'all, it is extremely windy, so I hope that you guys can hear me. Today it is a rainy day. It's actually kind of drizzling out here right now, but I have not been in the garden for about a week and there's so many things that I need to hurry up and get out of here, like all the summer veggies. I'm not able to harvest all of them today, but I'm definitely going to try to harvest as much as possible. So you guys are just about to come out here with me to harvest as much things as I possibly can. Let's see what we can get done today before I am tired. But when I tell y'all, this entire week, today is October 13th. The last time I harvested was October 1st. So I haven't been out here in about 2 weeks and I have not watered at all. Shame on me. I have neglected my garden. I've just been extremely busy and all of the things. But anyway, let's try to get as much things as we can out of the garden, because it's time to start just removing everything that we possibly can to process them for next year. All right, we're not going to be doing a lot of talking today because we have too much work to do, and then it's raining and I don't want to be out here when it's like pouring rain. Just come along with me and let's get this started. Okay, I hope you guys are going to enjoy this harvest because I am going to do a lot of non-talking in this video because I'm just trying to hurry up and hurry up. Happy fall, happy October. If you are still getting summer veggies in October, good for you. I am in zone 8A and the weather now is literally in the 50s and 60s. Okay, so it's time to get up out of here. Okay, my garden is so mad at me right now and I'm ashamed to even be stepping out here. Y'all see, look at how I'm dressed, y'all. I'm dressed for the weather. Okay, but alrighty, y'all, come along, let's get this started. All right. One look and I breathe. First thing first, we're gonna go ahead and harvest our tomatoes, y'all. There are so many tomatoes here. There's so many that has fallen all on the ground. Ooh, child, when I tell y'all, my garden is sick of me. Okay, it is sick of me. But oh my gosh, I am going to get as many tomatoes as I can, and the ones that are not ripe yet, I'm still going to leave them out here because I mean, what am I going to do with it? I guess I could make some, what's the thing called, fried green tomatoes, but yeah, I don't really care for it. Oh no. Ooh, child. My garden is so tired of me. All right, y'all, I'm about to put y'all down so that this can go a little faster. All right, come along, y'all. Oh my god, y'all, look at how many tomatoes we got. This is a huge bucket and it is filled to the top, y'all. These are all the salad tomatoes. Can y'all believe this? Ooh, child. But anyway, we're done with the entrance of the garden. Now we're coming over here where the other tomato bed is, and we're about to finish collecting our tomatoes, and then we're gonna go right on to collecting the peppers, y'all. We're not doing too much talking, but I hope you guys are enjoying the video. If you are, please go ahead and give it a like. Okay, thank you. All right, come along, y'all. Oh my gosh, y'all, I just got so many tomatoes, it's not even funny. Look at all of these tomatoes, y'all. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is a huge basket. It is so heavy, I can't even pick it up. I had to put some in here, and all of this is from here. And there are still a ton of green tomatoes, which I don't anticipate to really turn red. I could, you know, maybe when I feel like it, I'll harvest all the green ones and see what I can make with them, because I know there's some things that you can make with green tomatoes, but it's not my priority right now. But I got all of them that had a little bit of blush on it, and then I got all the red ones. So the ones that have a little bit of blush on it, I'm gonna put it by the windowsill, and it will change color. It will turn red like over time, because once you see a little bit of blush, go ahead and pick it, especially if it's starting to get cold. It's not gonna change the flavor. Once you see that blush, that means it has already started the ripening process, and you could just set it in your house and it's gonna ripen. Okay, well, alrighty, y'all, we're all done. Let's go harvest these peppers right now, because I have 30 more minutes and then it's gonna rain heavy. It's been raining heavy on and off. I had to keep turning the camera off on and off, but I was still harvesting because ain't nothing gonna stop me from trying to get a lot of these things out of here. Otherwise it's gonna go bad and it's really getting cold. But all right, y'all, come along. Oh my gosh, y'all, did y'all see all of that? That was a lot of harvest. I had to hurry up and go in our house because it is like raining a lot now, and I think it's about to thunderstorm. So I have to cut my harvesting short, and honestly I have to stop harvesting anyway because I don't have any more space to put all of this stuff. I got so many peppers and tons of tomatoes, and I have millions more to come and get. So I'm gonna stop right here and end this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Thank you so much for being here. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you're new here. And I am going to show you guys how I'm going to process all of these things, okay? So thank you for being on here with me, y'all. I love you guys. Remember, you're exactly where you're meant to be in this moment. Happy gardening, and I will catch you on the next one, okay? Alrighty, y'all. Love y'all. Let me hurry up and get in the house before it completely pours down on me, because it already been raining on me and I'm not trying to get sick. Alright, y'all. Bye. Here's our haul, y'all. As you can see, we have millions of peppers, the lemon drops, the habaneros. We got the Scotch bonnet. We have a ton of Thai peppers. We have a ton of regular bell peppers. And remember, in here we have a ton of salad, tomatoes, and then in this big basket here we have a ton of regular sized tomatoes. Y'all, we have so much. Oh my god, we have some bitter ball, we got all of the things, we got the spicy Thai and all of the things. But this is it right here. Bye, y'all. Remember, y'all, if you're looking for organic heirloom seeds, go ahead in the description of this video and grab your pack of seeds in my Etsy store and get your garden popping. Bye, y'all. Happy gardening. Signature luxurious body butter is packed with all natural skin loving ingredients such as cocoa butter, coconut oil, shea butter, vitamin E oil, and baobab oil. Whipped to perfection, it is lightly made to be easily absorbed into the skin without clogging your pores. This body butter is free of parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances. Your new bestie.